So the Young's interference pattern showed us that if two slits are taken and these rays are diffracting and then they are interfering also, the constructive and the destructive will take place depending upon the path length, or you can say what is the distance or difference of their length. What is the path difference? Say path difference, or we also call it as a phase difference of time, because there are angle and length. So if you are going this distance, your friend is going this distance, this is the path difference. The difference of the path length is the path difference. One is in the terms of distance, we call it as a path difference. One is in terms of angle, which is called the phase difference. So path difference is basically, this path difference will decide whether it will be constructive interference or destructive interference. So the constructive will be when the path is some multiple of lambda, okay, and destructive will be some multiple of lambda by 2. So in order to know the constructive or destructive interference, there is a relation. What is the relation? Bright fringes, when it will be formed? The bright fringes occurs when the difference in path, which is the delta p we are calling, is an integral multiple of one wavelength. That is, the bright fringes will be obtained when the path difference, one path, say the length is p1, the other path, say the distance is p2. So we take the difference, p2 minus p1 or p1 minus p2, whichever is higher. The difference between them is the path difference, right? This path difference will give you whether the fringe or whether the interference is going to be constructive or destructive. If the path difference is n lambda, n, p1, p2 is the distance, just subtract it, that is the path length or path difference. So the path difference is equivalent to n lambda, then you will get the bright fringes. Please remember, this n is a whole number. It starts with 0, 1, 2, 3. These are whole numbers. You have to have a 0. It's not a natural number, it's not integer, it's 0, starting from 0. N will start from, for the bright fringes, the path difference should be equal to or has to be equal to n lambda. N is 0, 1, 2. Clear? Now coming to the dark fringes. Same path difference, if it becomes or it is equal to, that is p2 minus p1 or p1 minus p2, whichever is higher, the difference of these two, if is equal to n lambda by 2. If you see the figure also, the distances of these two, if this is lambda by 2, n changes here. N is not a whole number. N is an odd number. Please remember, n is an odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1 lambda by 2, 3 lambda by 2, 5 lambda by 2. So delta P path difference is n lambda by 2. Then you will get a dark fringe. Bright fringe, n lambda. N is 0, 1, 2. Dark fringe, delta P equals to n lambda by 2. N is 1, 3, 5, 7.